Welcome back and a special welcome to our viewers on onespotmedia.com. The Health Ministry's move to create more health centers to ease the burden on public hospitals in Clarendon is causing a strain. At Thursday's Municipal Corporation meeting, Medical Health Officer Dr. Kimberly Scarlett Campbell explained why. TVJ's Krista Campbell reports.
More health centers, but not enough staff. Medical Health Officer for Clarendon, Dr. Kimberly Scarlett Campbell, told councillors that nurses and doctors are in short supply in the parish.
Bunkersville Health Centre is scheduled to be open on June 24, 2018. But the biggest challenge we're having in Clarendon is shortage of doctors. Our doctor is very, very low. I mean, right now our doctors are being stretched all over the parish, and it's very difficult for us to maintain coverage.
4 Cuban doctors are to arrive in Clarendon in July, and Dr. Scarlett Campbell says that should help. But she notes there's still a problem.
James Hill and Franklin should have a full-time doctor Monday to Friday. Because of our shortage, we have to be having like 2 days per week or 1 day per week, and that's not sufficient. So even though we are getting these 4 Cubans, we still need about 10 more doctors, to be honest, to really fill the gap.
In the meantime, she explains the plans already being made for the placement of 2 of the Cuban doctors.
But what we wanted to do was to offer curative service out of Lionel Town Health Centre. Right now, Lionel Town Hospital is being overwhelmed by non-urgent cases. So we are thinking about placing one of the Cuban doctors at Lionel Town Health Centre. We're also thinking about placing one at Shackleton Health Centre to try to boost the service in Shackleton.
Krista Campbell, TVJ News.